Hello, I'm Maker Arm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow Maker Arms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys. Paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see Maker Arms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere.
You.So, the smallest and smartest 3D printing pen in the world. It is highly portable, with its small size and power cable that you can plug on any traditional USB ports. You.So is a pen, but not one of the ordinary. Having the three-dimensional ability, it enables you to doodle in the air. It has a perfect size. Just handle this small and smart pen once and notice that it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you extreme comfort and balance while you draw. Advanced technology meets beautiful design, from the sustainably aluminum body to the elegant technological core. Every detail in You.So combines beautiful engineering and meticulous craft. Some examples include accessories, decoration pieces, arts and crafts, artistic jewelry, fashion prototypes, and different forms of drawings. You can make anything out of it within just a few seconds. Essentially, You.So 3D printing pen has the similar function as of 3D printers. It melts and cools colored plastic, letting you create rigid and freestanding structures, which can be formed in any imaginable shapes. This exceptional pen is a small and smart pen that does not require paper. We are excited to share this amazing experience with you.